GU was the stronger of the two. So I would wanna frame this on up here, hitting these highs in here. We have our up close here and we have our up close here. I want to scalp up. So I want to see if I could put on 5 lots. So I want to see if I can add on 2 more. See EU now hit the previous day close. So we have a slight divergence. Actually this is waiting for us to see more convincing clues below on DXY. I want to put on 2 more so I can get the 2 more to go on. I will obviously take because we traded down to, we have accumulation in here, and we traded down to we have a central bank dealing range low on about 2 standard deviations down. Just to close above here, and when you close above, then I will put on, close on this is 3950, close on this is 3673, the low is 3608, the low here is 3601. So we did went under. Alright, we didn't have a close below on the DXY as yet, but it's in the weekly open on the DXY and resistant. I just want to make sure that we're not treating into like a run on just trade back up into any imbalance and just continue going lower. So I had to look for significant clues above. I'm trying to follow along and compare with Euro to look for any divergence. We have Monday low, Tuesday low, Wednesday, Tuesday low in here. In relation to the last day, we have a strong, we took the previous day high, but we didn't come back down and close below anything. So in relation to the last day, this is a discounted day that we came into. So I just aim for a low hanging fruit objective, these clean highs here. want to get our body. If you could get our body close above here, then I would expect us to close in and contest these highs here. These equal highs. Even put this one here. Um, when we get healthy close up, I want to get our body close above this wick, and then I would look to see if I could add on 2 to have 5 on, and take 3 off here and see if I can get the next 2 to go up. If I can't, I would just see how fast we get up into here and allow it to continue going up. Because we could how we didn't get close below, we could really use here as the rejection block and just test that opening price. We didn't really get a good close above. Oh, the high on this is, I'm gonna look on the higher on this. Right, so we have a down candle broken to the upside. So on the XY, we have a close below the 15-minute. Yeah, I feel I'll put on 2 in here. And I'll put a stop right here, because we shouldn't really go back below this opening price, like break below it. if you really want to go higher, in my opinion. So the opening price on this is 36.84, 36.84. And these two, I believe these two to go up. So opening price should reject, because after we go up over these two candles, this candle here, I would assume as we went up above it here, it would reject it and then close back below this one. So because I didn't get that, I would assume that we will head back up and use our FVG to go up. If we clear, alright, the XY is chasing back up into our gap. The XY chasing back up into our 1 minute area after feeling to close above. So let's see how we react here on GU near the opening. Previously open here, we open at 007. No, talking shit. We open at 12.99. The low comes in at 12.57. Close at 17.70, and the high is 18.93. Alright, so when this candle in here traded above this high on this side, I believe if they wanted to go lower, this would wicket and start back digging into this candle open and low. So the fact that we kind of just respected the opening price, we wicket and went up, was why I believe this candle didn't want to go lower. I mean, we want to seek at least these highs in here. Low hanging fruit. 18, 19, 20, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I'm going to scalp this. This will be 27 pips. $36.94, $36.96. $42.27. $42.7. aim for this height. This is height I start this move down. Only 1 hour chart. We do have a gap in here I can aim for, actually above the daily open. We also have our on up close field to go up, so we still have 1 2. Okay, so we have a 4 hour gap we can aim for. 1 2 3. Yeah, we'll aim for the 4 hour gap. Once we clear in here, we'll aim for the 4 hour gap. Actually, let me not be greedy here. Let me just get my spill, bring this down here. It's Friday, so it's not there straight anyways. I'll be definitely good in taking what we need to take right above here, right above these highs, and we'll be good. We'll be good with that. Alright, that was not a convincing close for me for bullishness, but we did get a break above this down close, so I just had to be patient and wait and see. This 50-minute candle could move up to here, its opening price. $36.84. Oh, I want to see this gap in here push price with our body above. So that's all I'm looking for. Just looking for a momentum candle. Yet to get at. We are yet to have that. High. News driver. Second stage buy model. Trade up high. Consolidate. Break down. Up. Broke down again. Come up again. $55, $58. $35.58. Come to you. You supposed to be moving. You ain't moving compared to you. I mean, I know you hit the previous zero, but goddamn, you stronger the two. Give us some momentum on the upside, please. If we get a big body, could we take the low? I want us to take the high, close above with our body here. Once we get that, we good. Then I can move this up to here, because then the next following candle should be strong going up. Alright, so I need to see how we react here. We have a high, I could possibly get sweep, and a imbalance that I don't want to hold, because we're not bearish long term. So I want us to break through this high, only 1 hour, disregard imbalance, this small imbalance, and keep on going up. After we get this big body kind of here momentum, we gotta drive to the next side. This kind of what I want to see, something like this one, and then we just continue going up. Friday, boy. Friday, slow day. I wonder what the Cray would do. I'm waiting for a big body. Let's see if we get above this 1 hour. I'll definitely have to come back. I have some editing to do in this video for sure. I'll definitely come back to this video, update what New York do, we're going into 5:30. I would end this video and we'll come back later on and see how we do. If there's anything, I'll just move my stubs underneath this low, seeing that how we actually swept these lows here, and then the next candle we proceed to break above it, and since we never come back to this opening price, we just start playing up here. So I will move my stop under these lows and you take it from there. Alright, following up on the GU trade, news did send it up. I end up closing at the highs where my first TP was in the last video. I closed basically at the top. I closed off everything. I didn't leave the remainder, the smaller lot, to go up to here, the two lots. Reason being, equity wise, I was already up 2%, and I didn't want to. It'd be Friday, and we had a news driver. Even though I was expecting the news to be positive, just trying to compound this money up quickly, take the money as I get it, because the trade was just supposed to be a scalp from here to these highs. So initially that was the trade idea, because in the video you see me fiddling around. You know, if we get up into here, we just go and run these highs. Like, I knew it because of how I just trade with the weekly chart, weekly and daily chart. But today's Friday. I don't trade on a Friday that often. I think this might be like my third trade ever. If definitely my first trade unfunded. But I demonstrate about 3 times on Friday. Friday is not a day I trade. I just was following the weekly profile and the SMT. But ideally I was aiming for the average daily range, long term, and this gap. But as content, I was able to make 2%, happy, and I started to make 3% on a past phase 2 and a live on the 50. I'll spend the next couple of days just looking for setups to get that 2% going into next week, and sorry, to get that 3% going into next week, and then I'll focus on the next 50k account that I'm gonna buy. So this video just a follow up to show that the trade did pan out. We called price the whole week. We was looking for these moves. Again, my entry was somewhere around here. Stop was here. You could look at back in the last video. I took my profits at about 20. It was about 22 pips. So it was at this high actually, 22.5. So I took profits here on 5 lots content, but we saw our move went up. I mean, we did hit the average daily, the standard deviation. So I expecting this to go from in, if not today, even next week, all the way up into here. But we let that be. It was a good week, all things considered. I just had to fix my 10k, which I would definitely do. I was thinking about taking it on this also, but again, Friday, price action, and I'm not getting carried away with certain things on certain days. So, taking on the charts for the week. Come back on at 6 to see how we close. So edit all the videos together. Be posting them up by weekend, by the end of today or by weekend. So stay tuned for the weekly market analysis going into the start of the new quarter and the new month. So see you guys there.